So the supercharger is mostly complete. Looks pretty good. I've got the Mustang GT MAF airflow housing here, the new K&N filter, the adapter right here. So that's this is a 4-inch filter to 80mm MAF airflow housing to the regular intake tube. So this is where the issues start. Right here, you can see this is super kinked in. This, you can't move this whatsoever. You can't get the oil out at all. The computer is sitting right here because there wasn't enough room from here to the mount for the wires to connect right there. So we're waiting to get the body mounts in because my body mounts are bad. So we're gonna see if that'll lift the body up enough to where it'll lift that above the elbow there. And then we've got the stock pulley here from the early Supercoupe, which should give, it's just slightly smaller than the pulley that comes for the 5.5 pound pulley from Moddbox. And then this is the EGR line right here. So it all came together somewhat nice, just a couple little issues. And then this over here, I don't even know what's going on here. There's nowhere to mount this stuff. So we got a zip tie through it. And it's all just sitting right here because there is nothing to mount it to. So, well, yeah. But, looks nice, looks nice. I'll do a running video later. Enjoy.